Check out my screen here. I saw this was going around in early February 2024, this Amazon returns scam, Amazon pallets scam. And that normally has a photo like this. It looks like someone has put, photoshopped signs for $29 on some of these different pallets here, as if Amazon in front of one of their buildings, they just have pallets sitting outside. It's kind of funny. And, it says here on this page, it was either unpublished or deleted. It was not taken down by Facebook. It was removed to kind of scrub evidence, I guess, even though here it is. Ready for the ultimate surprise, the 2023 Amazon mystery box is available today, packed with top-notch goodies. Remember, you'll have to wait another year if you let this opportunity slip through your fingers. And it goes to onsolate.com. And another ad, very similar to that one, ordered two $69.98 Milwaukee DeWalt Ryobi mixed tool pallet unboxing. Retail value was insane. Check out securely with credit card, 48 hours money back guarantee. And here are these stolen photos of some guys with some DeWalt items and some Milwaukee tools and whatever, Ryobi and whatever. These people in the photos have nothing to do with this. These photos have been stolen from them to be used in this scam. You're not going to get an Amazon mystery box or pallet or something like this through an ad like this. I'm talking a little bit more about how you can actually get an Amazon pallet in a second, but it's not going to be through these scammy looking ads with these weird photos. Here's a video. Okay, let's see what this one's all about. Oh,
Amazon Warehouse has a lot of canceled orders.
Amazon Warehouse has a lot of canceled orders.
I bought this box for $19.
I bought this box for $19.99. So what they're saying is you can get some mystery boxes of Amazon returns by visiting a specific website. This one is called Amazon Pallet, this page, and it's very suspect. I already went to it earlier. And it's suspect, as you can see. It says Amazon Pallet's what it's called. But if you go down to photos, there's like a woman and a dog. And this page it used to be used back in 2022, 2021, 2019, etc. for something else. And scammers changed the page name to Amazon Pallet. And it talks about an ultimate New Year surprise, Amazon Mystery Box 2024. And the goal of this one ad is for you to send a message to the scammers. See, it says send message right here. I don't know if you can see that behind me. It says send message because the scammers want to get you in a chat, so they can scam you in there, whatever it is they're doing. One more ad here, then I'll tell you about the real Amazon pallets. Ready for the ultimate surprise, Amazon Mystery Box 2024 is available. Same sort of thing. It goes to another website, maybe run from China, I don't know. Clearance sale, last chance to order is what it claims. And these websites look something like this. It looks like Amazon because it has the Amazon logo, right? But this is onsolate.com. Claims here that the sale is going to end soon. You need to buy something from this website and it's going to be so fun and you're going to be so happy that you did it. And buy now and PayPal here. It says there are only 2 boxes left right there because they want you to hurry up and order right now and give away your information to scammers right now. Here's what's really funny. Look how many trust signals they packed in here. PayPal, SSL Secure Connection, McAfee, and Norton, and SiteLock, and Satisfaction Guaranteed. Why do you need McAfee and Norton? I mean, they're just throwing out logos so people hopefully think, oh, this is trustworthy. And it's all a big, big, big scam. And I wouldn't trust one bit of it. Contact us. Here's a contact thing if anyone needs it. So here's the thing. There are some real auction houses, some real companies out there, whatever you want to call them, not advertising with these weird photoshopped images for Amazon returns, perhaps even a pallet of items. You're not going to find them in these ads here like this. You're going to find them at more official places, on websites that you can trust. And so if you see anything out there that seems way too good to be true, it's going to be way too good to be true, obviously. And these ads have been going on for a long time. Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram, accepts money for these fake Amazon returns, mystery boxes, pallets, things. But like I just said, there are some auction houses that do legitimately give away. They offer for, at auction, different boxes or pallets or whatever it may be, but you're not going to find it in ads like this. You're not going to find it on strange websites. You're going to find it on websites that have actual real trust signals, people you can call, brick and mortar kind of buildings, things like that you can can tell whenever you see it, okay, this is going to be real. So don't fall for the ads that have the fake Amazon building with the pallet sitting in the parking lot. It's just like, that's not going to be real. And as always, make sure that if you're going to pull your credit card out for buying something online, it's going to be something that's legitimate. You don't want to have to get in the whole headache and heartache thing of giving up your information to scammers and having to deal with that. It takes up a lot of time. So I hope you found this video helpful. Hit the like button down below. Please hit the like button and comment with your favorite breakfast food. And the reason why, if you just leave a comment with your favorite breakfast food, if you can't think of a way to comment about the Amazon thing, that is, simply leaving a comment down below. And please do like and comment, not just like. That will tell Google and YouTube my video has value and credibility, and then they'll see all the engagement happening down below. And I want to talk about breakfast. Who doesn't? So, that'll help my video rise to the top of Google search results and YouTube search results, which would be amazing. YouTube search results, rather, which would be amazing. So please do that, like and comment. And, if you want to comment anything else, that's totally cool. And there's a thanks button off to the right of the like button as well. And I hope that you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.